Storytelling, terrific insights have done my research. More friendly, more respectful, more funnier without lawful restrictions. Policy safe. Attraction is like a magnet. Today, we're talking about how attraction can be a lot like a magnet. Sometimes, people, ideas, hobbies, and opportunities seem to pull us in naturally. 1. Positive people. Be like, everyone enjoys being around them. Reason, kindness, and good energy are naturally attractive. 2. Amazing storytellers. Be like, just one more story. Reason, interesting stories capture attention. 3. Delicious food. Be like, following the smell from 3 minutes away. Reason, our senses are drawn to enjoyable experiences. 4. Cute pets. Be like, can I pet the dog? Reason, friendly animals often attract affection. 5. Fun hobbies. Be like, starting for 5 minutes and staying for 2 hours. Reason, enjoyable activities keep our interest. 6. Laughter. Be like, hearing laughter and wanting to know the joke. Reason, happiness often contagious. 7. Confidence. Be like, calm, comfortable, and respectful. Reason, confidence can make people seem approachable. 8. Beautiful scenery. Be like, taking 20 photos of the sunset. Reason, natural beauty attracts attention and admiration. 9. Good ideas. Be like, why didn't I think of that? Reason, creative solutions are appealing. 10. Friendly communities. Be like, feeling welcome from day one. Reason, people are attracted to belonging and support. 11. Music. Be like, accidentally dancing while doing routines. Reason, rhythm and melody can capture attention. 12. Success stories. Be like, listening carefully for usual lessons. Reason, people enjoy learning from achievements. 13. Humor. Be like, trying not to laugh and failing. Reason, funny moments create positive connections. 14. Curiosity. Be like, clicking interesting facts and reading 10 more. Reason, humans naturally seek new information. 15. Genuine kindness. Be like, helping without expecting anything back. Reason, sincere kindness often leaves a lasting impression. Attraction isn't always about appearance. It's often about positivity, kindness, shared interests, and enjoyable experiences. Just like a magnet, good habits and a friendly attitude can help bring people together. Which magnet attracts the most? Humor, food, music, hobbies, and something else? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share positive energy wherever you go.